Hey girl, how you doing? I wanted to tell you guys about another bag, or show you another bag that I got from BABALABAG.co. I'm going to put all the information below. I'm going to go through it kind of quickly because I've done this a million times. Yeah, came in a brown cardboard box like that. And then the inside, of course, the original box. And wait till you see this one. Okay, so first thing, it comes, and when you open it, it has this beautiful paper, the receipt, the ribbon, and of course, a beautiful magnetic box. Gorgeous. So when you open it, it comes in yet another bag, and then the beautiful dust cover, which is, I'm guessing, all cotton. It's super soft and very durable. All right, I took off all the wrapping and stuff because I just wanted to save time on this. You guys have seen me unbox from this company many times, and it's just, it's another perfect bag, honestly. So you ready? You know I love Speedies, and you know I love this size 25. What? Yeah, it's the denim Speedy bandolier. Absolutely incredible. Incredible. I love the way that it's not a consistent color. It's like a, you know, almost like, well, it's the way denim is. So gorgeous. Look at the leather and the stitching. Like incredibly good quality. Amazing quality. Zipper slides seamlessly. Comes with the strap, which is adjustable. Also absolutely gorgeous leather. I had to get this video out because I really want to use this bag. Yeah, I've been waiting because so much stuff was going on, but ready to show you now. So this is her. Absolutely stunning. So it is the denim Speedy 25 bandolier. I'm going to list this specific bag down in the description because I know you're gonna want to go get this one. It's incredible. And I will leave all the information. I'm gonna put on the screen throughout the video how you get to the website, because it is BABALABAG, not bags, BABALABAG.co, not com, co. So right here, I'll put it down and numerous times through the video so you guys know exactly how to get there. But I'll add the link, of course, to this specific bag. Isn't she beautiful? I can't wait to carry her because I wear all black all the time. So the blue is like, it's one of those items that just stand out. I don't see anybody carrying this bag, which is why I chose this one. So I want to say thank you again to Anne at BABALABAG.co for the beautiful, beautiful bag. I owe you, adore you. You guys go check them out.